Hey guys, welcome to Handy channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can enable Wi-Fi hotspot in Windows 10. So here we go. You can easily enable it from here, but if it's not working and if you wanna find out the password of your hotspot, so watch the video till the end. So all you have to do is open settings and go to networks and internet, and now click on mobile hotspot, and there you can find the name of your network and the password. When you turn it on, now you can find it in your other devices. If you're not getting the name of this Wi-Fi, so you can also change the bands here. If your other device doesn't support the 5 GHz, so you just select the 2.4, and if you want the faster internet you can select 5 GHz. So guys, that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.